Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel, I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. As always, this is a sample company provided by QuickBooks for educational purposes only. In today's video, I will be sharing how you can create a customer statement. You may want to create a statement to include multiple open invoices, or maybe your customer is set up to be billed monthly. Whatever your statement purpose is, this video will show you how to create it in QuickBooks Online. This is the business owner view of QuickBooks Online for business owners. If you are a fellow home bookkeeper, feel free to check out my QuickBooks Online tutorials for Bookkeepers playlist for a better view of what QuickBooks Online is going to look like for you. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Customers and Leads tab on the left-hand side toolbar. Once in the Customer and Leads screen, you will see across the top unbilled activity for the last 365 days, unpaid activity for the last 365 days, and what has been paid for the last 30 days. Let's go ahead and find the customer that is currently overdue. Here, you can see Red Rock Diner has 2 overdue invoices. Clicking on the customer's name, let's open the customer file. Scrolling down, you can see all of the customer activity. It looks like invoice 1023 and 1024 are both currently overdue for a total of $226. To create a statement, click on the white down arrow next to the green New Transaction button and select Statement. In the Create Statement screen, the first thing you will want to do is select your statement type. A statement is simply a document showing the status of a customer's account on a particular point in time. QuickBooks can create 3 types of statements: balance forward, open item, and transaction. A balance forward statement shows all activity dated between a start and end date of your choosing. It has a balance forward amount at the top and keeps a running balance in the balance column. You can choose a balance status of all, open, and overdue for this type of statement. An open item statement shows all invoices that have an open balance, an amount that is still owed. The original amount of the invoice is shown along the open amount. For this type of statement, you can choose a balance status of open or overdue. Customers with a 0 balance don't have open items, so they're not included when creating these kind of statements. Like a balance forward statement, a transaction statement shows all activity between a start date and end date of your choosing, but it doesn't have a balance forward amount and amount due. It shows a total amount and amount received for the period instead. Transaction statements can be used as donor or pledge reports. They're useful for nonprofits and other businesses that need to send activity reports to their donors, but that don't want to show a running balance or an amount due. You won't see an itemized invoice breakdown of what items are currently open for a customer on a balance forward statement. It will only be the total balance. The most commonly used statement type is the open item statement. So let's create that for this example. Once your statement type is selected, you can edit the date, and when ready, click on the green Save and Send button on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Doing so will prompt a preview screen. This is what your customer sees when you email their statement. Double check all the data is correct, and when ready, click Send. Now, if you still send physical statement copies in the post, then you can print this screen. And there you have it, how to create a customer statement in QuickBooks Online. For more business resources, my online self-paced home bookkeeper masterclass, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out adjconsultinggroup.com/resources. Linked below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. It really helps out my channel. And if you have any questions or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And for even more behind the scenes content of life as a home bookkeeper, feel free to follow me on Instagram at Emma Dawn and connect with me on LinkedIn. And if you need more assistance, private QuickBooks online coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.